and welcome to another Paint With Me video. On today's session I'm drawing 80s chibi and I have my waters prepared here. I'm going to use these watercolor sets that I have. Also I have prepared my paint brushes and the palette, which are extremely dirty as you can see right now, but we're gonna work with that. So yeah, let's get started. Let's open our sketchbook. I have prepared my sketches beforehand, so yeah, this is going to be our best sketch for today's session. We have, as you can see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 chibis ready here. So I'm going to introduce you who are these. Let's say we have Yoonho, we have Wooyoung and Sun, that is Usan also known as. We have Mingi and we have Yeosang. I have added like the line art in the Yoonho one to check if it's going to go good, and now I'm going to start with the other ones. I'm using a regular, just a waterproof black gel pen to do the line art. From now on I'm going to fast forward the whole process to reduce the time, to save you guys time as well. So quickly, while I do this, I'm going to talk about my new fandom, because in Instagram I'm mostly known to draw BTS or the BTS fan artist, but recently I started spanning 80s as well. So maybe from last 2 months I'm started spanning them. When in the March their song that Fireworks came out, that really caught my attention, but after that, like maybe 2 months ago, I started standing them. For now on, Yeosang is my bias. Yoonho is also my bias, but I prefer Yeosang more. Even though I'm like OT8, I stand like 8 of them. I'm not judging anyone. Like, yeah. So these are like some photos I got from Pinterest. Even though like I'm very new, I am not very used to of that 80s fandom and the inside jokes, or the things you're supposed to know if you're in fandom. But still, I really like this one, when Wooyoung like kissed Sun with their red headbands with the ear thingy on it. I think that was also a very cute moment to draw, so I really want to capture that moment. Also Yeosang, this was like a probably picture from a fan meet where he was holding some papers in his mouth. I really like this piece also because it came out very cute. He looks like a puppy boy, yeah, with the paper on his mouth. It's written like Yeosang the best boy. That is of course my imagination. Of course it was not written there, so I thought that would be a cute one. Overall, I'm really enjoying their music. So if you are also 18, let me know in the comment below. I would love to know which fandom you belong to. I am definitely a multi fandom in K-pop. I stand so many groups, yeah, that I literally cannot count enough. Now let's move on to Mingi Chibi. This one is also a picture from a fan meet, I believe, where he was wearing that paw thing. These are basically, I think these are gloves that looks like paws, and he had that orange hair. I thought that picture was very cute, and so I wanted to draw this. So here I am just lining up his hair. I have added a few elements all over the page, so give it a little bit of visual interest. Now my most of the part of lining is done, so I'm going to start with the coloring part. So as you know already that I don't color the entire face or the entire sheet. I just do where the darker portions are. So same thing I'm going to do with my chibis as well, but in case of digital I do color them thoroughly, because in digital you can like add the colors however you want, you can change the effect, and there are a lot of facilities that you don't get while doing traditionally or like doing in pen and paper. So yeah, I'm going to first start with adding the skin colors. Which one of these 5 chibis do you like the most? Let me know in the comment below. And also what you want to see next. If any tutorial you want me to do, I can also do that. Yeah. And now I'm moving on to the Yeosang one. My personal favorite, if you ask me, and because I already told you that I really like the Wooyoung and Sun one, because I think that's very expressive. Like you can see that Sun is cringed by it, but yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the Mingi one. I'm doing his skin right now, so let's do this first. After adding the first wash, I'm going to layer out the second wash, that more of a dark brown shade, to give things a little bit of depth. If you haven't checked out my another sketch with me session, like sketchbook session, where I've drawn my OC Toshio, I will leave the link in the description box below, and also I'll leave the link in the iCard, so if you want to check out, you can go and do that as well. Now I'm adding blushes, and like here I'm using very light pink and red colors, just to make things more pigmented. With the same pink color that I used for their cheeks, I'm going to fill up the pink portion of the fluffy paw that he was wearing. Yeah. Now I'm using my black brush pen, and I'm filling out their irises, and I'm going to start with their hair. So firstly I'm going to outline the glowy portions of the hair where the lights are reflecting, and then I'm going to paint the rest of the hair. In the Yuno one, the hair was totally black, so I used that. I told you before that I don't like to use like dark black in my portraits. I just don't enjoy, but in that case I was doing like a trial, so I added that. I ended up not liking it, so, and I learned also that for my style or for my liking, dark black is not a thing. But anyway, since I applied the black, I had to complete. On the first stroke I regretted that, but I had to do it anyway. So for the Yeosang one, I also did the black hair. The one thing that I liked though is the black made the portrait really pop out of the screen, you know. And the thing, when you draw with gouache, of course the gouache painting is going to look much better, or the colors are going to be much vibrant than a watercolor painting, right? The same thing is happening here. This is the only thing that I liked about using black. So here on the original photo, Wooyoung had that silver gray kind of hair, so I'm going to use my gray colored marker. I'm not using watercolor for his hair, and I used that gray thing, and I added a little bit of highlights on the both sides to make it look 3D and very shiny. For Sun's hair, he had that pie chart hair. If you know, that is called a pie chart hair, when a certain part of your hair is just blonde and rest of is a dark color. So I tried to recreate that. I don't think that came out well, but yeah, I tried to make that. I had that blank space. I added a blonde sheet or the blonde layer of colors. The blonde color came out a little more yellowish, it's I think. Yeah, so I did the hairband thingy. I think that hairband came out really cute. That suits the whole, chibi concept. Now I'm painting his shirt. Both of them were wearing black, so it was like a challenge to differentiate who's who or which one is where. So I tried to use my grays and blacks to identify the outfits. Okay, one was also black. He was wearing like completely black shirt with a black padded jacket on the top. So yeah, I added that also. Now I'm wiping off the extra pencil lines, and I'm adding colors on Yosan's outfit as well. I'm now doing his hat. I think this is, what do you call this type of hat? I don't know, but I find this type of style very attractive. I don't know what you call this, but I really like how his hat came out. It came out pretty cool. Now I'm going to work on Mingi. So he had that vibrant orange hair, so I'm going to draw that first. I'm using my orange brush pen to paint his hair. And he was wearing like a navy colored dress, shirt, whatever it is that he was wearing. So I'm going to add a little bit of depth using my dark orange marker to his hair, like to give it a little bit of more 3D look, adding some shadows. And I'm going to use my navy colored brush pen to paint his shirt. I think I could have added a little more details, but at this point I was getting very lazy with this. So yeah, and this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and comment your thoughts below. Also, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to my channel, and it really helps. And so yeah, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye and have a great day.